What are some of the most significant recent developments in B2B marketing, that you're seeing?
I do feel like things have changed quite a bit over the past couple of years, and in a number of different ways. Certainly, most will agree that the pandemic it sort of it pushed us into digital more than ever.
Yeah.
I kind of rarely hear about people picking up the phone. Everything starts with email or social media, and it sometimes will go quite a long ways until you actually have a phone call. And myself being on the receiving end of pitches for marketing software, almost never do I receive a phone call. And when I do, I often take it because I'm curious to hear what they're going to say. So it's interesting because I think all of our email inboxes are full of pitches, and that can be difficult, but it also means that, companies have had to really think hard about how they contact customers because things are getting so noisy on social, which is primarily LinkedIn for B2B, and then via email. And, those are just huge channels that we all need to use. But I would say that, beyond, as you say, direct sales interaction, you're right, it has become less of a thing. Events are coming back, but not probably never going to be what they were pre-pandemic. But we have to talk about AI, right? Because I believe that is going to have such a big impact on marketing and sales teams. And, our company is fairly small. We don't use a ton of AI tools. We use some, like seamless AI for, helping with, lead gen and whatnot. But AI is going to start becoming more in the background of a lot of things that we do. And I think it's important that we sort of learn how to use it. And it goes beyond, chat GTP. I know that this is affecting writers and it's affecting marketing teams to a certain extent. But I think for marketers, the AI can be really great if you figure out how to balance it. And, me being a writer for my entire life, I'm not just going to let chat GTP or Claude do all my work, but I use it for research, and that does save time. And so I feel that we have to adapt to these trends. But at the end of the day, we have to really put ourselves in the customer's shoes, that they're getting bombarded all the time with digital messages and new digital content. And so how do we manage that so that we have a good relationship and not just another, kind of buzz in the ear?